So let's talk about what are foundation models. Foundation models are AI models trained on huge amounts of unlabeled datasets that can be used to solve multiple downstream tasks. For example, foundation models trained on text data can solve problems like question answering, that is chatbot, NER, that is named entity recognition, and information extraction. So by using foundation models, we can solve these kinds of different tasks. And also foundation models trained on images can do image captioning, object recognition, or image search, right? And these foundation models can be trained on different types of data like audio, video, 3D signals as well. So the data can be either text or images or speech or structured data or 3D signals. So we will train the foundation models with these different types of data so we can perform different tasks like question answering, sentiment analysis, information extraction, image captioning, object recognition, and instruction following. So we can perform several tasks by using these foundation models. And a simple model can outperform if you have quality data. So this quality data is very important. So in order to build a model, we need two things. Number one, we need huge amounts of data, that is in terabytes or petabytes of data, so that the model can understand the context of the problem that we are trying to solve. And then the second one is we also need GPU, that is to process these huge amounts of data, we also need GPU. So once you have huge amounts of data and GPU, you can train the model and perform different tasks. So the big companies like Microsoft, Google, Meta, etc., they have both data and they also have GPU. So they are doing the task for us, meaning they are doing the data collection, data cleaning, and building the model, training, and they trained the model and they validated the model. They've done all these tasks iteratively until the model predicts accurate results. So they are building the architecture and creating these foundation models, that is they are creating pre-trained models. So we can use these pre-trained models and fine-tune according to our business needs. That is, fine-tuning means give your company or business specific data to the foundation model that was already built, that is the pre-trained model, as an input and train the model. So we are not building anything from scratch here. We are making use of these foundation models and fine-tuning as per our business needs. In order to do that, we are learning tools and frameworks in this course. But some companies have their own models too. They build from scratch with their own domain specific data. And we already have around 10 lakh plus open source models from Hugging Face, which we will deep dive in the coming lectures. And we also have Claude, Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, and several other paid tools available already, right? So we can make use of those already existing pre-trained model and fine-tune the model according to our business needs so they can perform different tasks. All right, so that's all about the foundation models. Thank you.